Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to manage saved Google passwords on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on users and accounts. Now from here, just tap on Google. Now from here, just tap on Google Password Manager. Now from here, you can see all the passwords you have saved on your Google account. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on the name of the app, now from here, just enter your fingerprint or your screen lock. You can see your ID and your password from here, just like that. Now from here, if you tap on edit, you can edit your username and your password. And once you edit your username and your password, just tap on save. And also, if you tap on delete, you can delete the saved password from your Google account. And this is how you can manage saved Google passwords on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.